And that is going to do it for Raising the Bar, but I want to turn to another startup shaking things up. Document onboarding startup Flatfile raising $50 million in a Series B round led by Tiger Global. Companies like Spotify and Square use Flatfile to streamline their data exchange process to help them deliver world-class customer experience. Well, joining me now is David Boskovic, founder and CEO of Flatfile. David, thanks so much for coming on the show. Give me some more details about what your company's offering.
Almost every company in the world has this data exchange problem. Whether you're CBRE and you have to get data from 50,000 brokers every day, or you're a small CRM just starting out and trying to get your first set of customers, everybody has to bring data in a business transaction. Flatfile solves that by automating the entire process. Instead of having to prepare spreadsheets and going back and forth between parties, you can do it with a simple file upload and you're done.
So I see that you have some big-time customers here. We mentioned Spotify, we mentioned Square, also companies like ClickUp, HubSpot, Sage. What results have these companies, David, seen that you can share using your services?
Yeah. Customer onboarding is the primary part of the process that's affected by this. If it takes you 3 months to get all the data in the right shape, then it's 3 months later that your customer is experiencing value with your product. Flatfile provides value to all of these customers by helping them onboard their customers or vendors faster into their system, taking processes that are sometimes hundreds or thousands of hours and reducing them by 70% or more.
What's the role of artificial intelligence in all of this? AI is such the coveted technology, right, that people are after these days. How does that empower you and your companies that you service to do the job well?
Data, when data is being exchanged in a world where every source of data is different, which is oftentimes the case it is with customers, you have to be able to learn from each of those decisions. Flatfile has trained across billions of decisions across our customers, allowing us to automate 97% of the data decisions in the exchange.
So I'm just curious, too, you've got some new funding, $50 million Series B round led by Tiger Global, big name backer, David. How are you going to use this money to grow the firm?
Yeah. We're going to be scaling our innovation. We've been building a product for SaaS companies for the last 3 years since we started this business. As we've been doing that, some of the largest enterprise companies in the world, including a number of Fortune 500 companies, are using Flatfile already for their data exchange problems. Flatfile is now expanding our product suite to serve almost any company in the world, not just software companies. We're going to be investing that money in our engineering and innovation teams to help us scale and meet the requirements that come with a global enterprise.
Big data, AI, it's just so coveted these days. But of course, along with that, especially with data, comes data protection, David. What are the protections in place to make sure that this data is safe, using it to power these companies?
Oftentimes, without Flatfile, you're emailing back and forth sensitive data. That's really bad for security. Our customers use us to increase the security of the data exchange, ensuring that the data is encrypted as it goes through the process. And each party in that process has the rights to delete it and destroy that data once the process is over.
All right, we got to leave it there. David Boskovic, founder and CEO of Flatfile. David, congratulations on the round, and thanks so much for coming on the show. All right, well.